Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hytera new product launch event. Hytera always dedicates to becoming a worldwide trusted solution provider for professional communication technologies, to name a few, Tetra, DMR, PDT, and so on. Hytera launched its innovative PMR-LT convergence solution and the first multi-mode advanced radio, PDC760, PTC760 series in 2017. This was followed by the release of its latest multi-mode advanced radio, the PDC680 Tetra LT device, in June 2019. Now, with the adoption of broadband technology, this industry is changing at an unprecedented pace. With its mature technology system, broadband communication challenges the traditional narrowband service mode, accelerating the transmission into broadband. And Hytera is always a pioneer company to devise the technology boundary, and we are always trying to break out the pattern and to be innovative. With the mature of broadband technology and the need for service upgrades, the demand for data services in public safety is gradually increasing. The broadband services based on commercial network cannot fully meet the strict requirements of public safety users in terms of real-time and reliability. So, more and more countries are putting on the development of private broadband networks on the agenda. At the same time, with the development of communication protocols in 3GPP, the MCS broadband trunking standard was approved. With the evolution of the 3GPP version, gradually increase and improve the private network features. The launch of MCS, the standardization of broadband communication in the true sense, and open the process of replacing the traditional narrowband communication. Now, many advanced countries have started planning and launching the public safety MCLT network, and the first wave is expected to arrive in 3 years. Hytera actively responds to and welcomes the global MCLT network's development, and is always dedicated in providing the most valuable products to serve our customers well. So today, we are going to introduce you a full new radio, PDM680, the first ruggedized MCS radio. As we know, that the first tier of countries such as the UK and South Korea have started to operate their MCLT network, and there are lots of terminals in use already. So you may wonder to know, compared to those terminals, what's better in our PDM680? Well, let me go through it one by one. We have done plenty of work to make it rugged, durable, and fully compliant to MCX services. First of all, one-handed operation. The simple and easy user interface ensures mission-critical operation. At a first glance of the radio, you'll see it features a chamfered design for comfort grip. When you hold it in your hand, you will feel it rock solid, while easy to navigate the application with only one hand as well. A dedicated volume channel knob allows for quick group switching and volume adjustment operations. The large PTTK is specially designed for easy operation while minimizing mistouch. Ensure the calls can be made at a critical moment. The 5 programmable keys are flexible in allocating shortcut operations. For example, by setting one key to open an application, users can quickly start the frequently used app and be associated with business operations through secondary development to enhance convenience of operation. Secondly, outstanding audio quality. Voice is the lifeline of first responders in demanding situations. PDM680 has enhanced audio performance with a unique cavity design overlaid with high sensitivity and high-powered speaker to provide audio loudness of up to 118 dB. Even if the terminal is 30 centimeters away from the signal source, the transmitted audio can also reach 98 dB loudness. While adding AI-based noise cancellation, wind noise cancellation, and echo cancellation algorithm, even in the urban highway and other noise environments higher than 70 dB, you can still clearly hear the output of the radio. Thirdly, rugged and durable. Professional users, especially frontline workers, work on face complex and ever-changing environments. PDM680 has carried out a series of high reliability designs to achieve high levels of dustproof, waterproof, and ESD-resistant design. It can withstand the impact of multi-angle 1.5 meters jobs, ensuring the users can work in extreme environments. PDM680 has so many advantages in terms of professional and rugged features. And what stands out about MCS? MCLT network is mainly used public safety in the future due to the interest of broadband data services. MCLT service needs to be with higher network transmission efficiency, better signal quality, and lower data latency. For this reason, PDM680 has made a lot of efforts on eMBMS, MSP, TRPTs, and achieved highly effective results. The eMBMS and MSP 40 milliseconds are focused on reducing service and data latency and ensuring timely data transmission. The LT performance TRPTs of PDM680 in key frequency bands is improved by about 2 dB compared with those off-the-shelf broadband devices, which means, first, with the same transmitted power, the radio frequency coverage area is increased by about 40%. So, within the same coverage area, the number of broadband base stations can be reduced, and the cost of infrastructure can be greatly reduced. Second, the receiving performance is more robust, and under the same base station coverage, it can still transmit key information even at the edge of the network coverage. Third, when the signal strength is the same, PDM680 only uses minimum transmitted power, saving about 30% of power consumption and prolonging the battery life. The PDM680 is equipped with a native Hytera MC app and MCS solution that enables the key services like MCPTT, MC Video, MC Data, defined in 3GPP Release 14 and above. PDM680 also provides a complete third-party application interface, capable of connecting and adapting to the third-party MCS platform. This is to meet the needs of MCLT network rollouts in different countries and regions. However, due to network construction time, cost, objective environments, the construction and improvement of private broadband networks often require a relatively long time. The complete activation of the network usually involves a process, which is challenging to accomplish overnight. During the ongoing improvement of the network and the long migration process, the critical voice call cannot be guaranteed once the terminal is out of the coverage area of the private broadband network. PDM680 is specially designed with dual SIM cards to enable users to work in public LTE and private LTE hybrid broadband networks, enabling multi-network collaboration, improving device mobility, and facilitating the broadband migration at a phased manner. MCLT private networks bring wider data channels and richer industrial applications to public safety and related industries. Still, it faces a key barrier: the lack of an adequate LTE-based substitute for D2D communication when the network is unavailable. 3GPP has developed the LTE standard for direct mode, known as PROC, when network connectivity is unavailable. However, its range is limited maybe half a mile because of the low power levels of LTE devices. So, public safety and other critical communication users still need narrowband to fulfill direct mode communication. That's why PDM680 remains DMR direct mode that supports more than 5 kilometers line of sight range, which is crucial for public protection and disaster relief. In emergency handling and rescue operations, the direct communication is often used under the ad hoc network to respond flexibly to rescue missions. The broadband network is used to communicate with the backend command center for voice call and video streaming. This leads the need for on-site commanders to separately initial calls to frontline security personnel and the backend command center to transmit the site situation. Repeat calls reduce command efficiency. The D2D function based on DMR technology allows one terminal to initial calls of different standards at the same time. That means initiating MCS and DMR calls at the same time, reducing call arbitration and improving communication efficiency. We named it SimuCall. Now, by pressing the PDTK, the on-site commander can speak to the front lines and the command center at the same time. Beyond the outstanding performance in efficiency and performance, PDM680 also supports various security protection schemes, creating a comprehensive security barrier from communication, operating system, data storage, and device control, ensuring terminal information security at all times. Especially in terms of device management and control, combined with Hytera's smart MDM, it can remotely program, upgrade, and manage radios in benches. For different positions, you can set up allow lists and block lists to control the apps available to these personnel terminals and configure data transmission paths such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, personal hotspot, and USB to ensure communication security. Even if you lose your radio, don't worry, you can remotely delete the data to protect the lost radio's information from being leaked. We have also enhanced the connectivity of PDM680, allowing it to become a device hub. PDM680 has a standard Type-C interface for supporting data and charging functions based on the dedicated accessory interface, allowing users to charge the terminal with a general charger anytime and anywhere, solving the power cravings under critical missions. PDM680 also supports wireless connection, which can be flexibly adapted to audio accessories to improve safety and convenience. Hytera's professional wireless audio accessories can help users release their hands in the work scene and focus more on current mission processing. PDM680 is a rugged MCS radio and a key component of Hytera's public safety solutions. It can be combined with Hytera various products to form multi-solutions, ensuring safe and reliable communication in any scenarios. In the future, we will always be constant and committed to providing more valuable products and services for public safety. You protect the people, Hytera protects you.